The Nigerian actress and filmmaker Wunmi Toriola has expressed her deep gratitude to some of her colleagues in the entertainment industry for the show of love and support she received regarding her first cinematic movie, Queen Lateefah. It should be noted that the star-studded movie was premiered on Tuesday night, September 24, 2024, and would be released in cinemas tomorrow, Friday, 27th September. The actress, Wunmi Toriola, revealed that some of her colleagues didn't charge a dime for the role they played in the movie. She said the Afremic president, Femi Adebayo, returned the fee she paid him for his role in the movie Queen Lateefah. She also revealed that Broda Shaggy didn't collect a dime and that Kiki supported her. Earlier in August, Wunmi Toriola officially released the trailer for the movie Queen Lateefah, building anticipation for the movie, which will be released on Friday. The movie Queen Lateefah is directed by Adebayo, the director behind 2023 highest-grossing Nollywood film, A Tribe Called Judah, which grossed an impressive 1.4 billion at the box office. However, the premiere of Queen Lateefah was held on the night of September 24, 2024, was an event that had fans glued to their screens. Videos from the star-studded event showcase a wide array of celebrities who came out to support their colleague Wunmi Toriola. Among those in attendance were Broda Shaggy, Femi Adebayo, Odunlade Adekola, the Lisa B-man Lateef Adedimeji, Kunle Remi, Gbenga Adeyinka, Saheed Balogun, Laide Bakari, Eniola Ajao, Toyosi Adesanya, Ronke Ojo, popularly known as Ronke Oshodi-Oke, Nta Laniyan, and many others. The actress Wunmi Toriola, who rocked the premiere with two scintillating outfits, said she can't hide her emotions. In the other news, the star Nollywood actress Blessing Obasi, who happens to be the wife of a star Nollywood actor Stan Nez, has thrown her support behind fellow actor and producer Wunmi Toriola in anticipation of the upcoming release of her movie Queen Lateefah. Blessing expressed her excitement about the film, urging her fans not to miss the cinematic experience. She described Queen Lateefah as a movie packed with laugh-out-loud moments, along with deeply emotional and soulful scenes. Lastly, she said the movie is the kind of movie that will have audience laughing, crying, and reflecting on life's journey in all the best ways. We at IPTV wish Wunmi Toriola the best as her movie Queen Lateefah will start showing across cinema tomorrow, Friday, 27th of September 2024. You are watching Intelligent Pictures TV YouTube channel. We are promoting our cultural heritage is our watchword. Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to the channel for up-to-date entertainment news.